Hello lovely audience, welcome back to another video of Quick Guide. In this video, we are going to talk about can we privatize our cover photos into Facebook or not. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Just simply open your Facebook application and after opening the application, go to Photos section and from there click to Albums and you can see cover photos into here. And after clicking there, you can see this note just below the cover photos text. You can change the audience for each of your previous cover photos. The audience for your current cover photo is always public. So it concludes that we cannot change the audience for the equipped or active cover photo into your Facebook. We can change the audience to our previous cover photos. For example, let's see here that this is my current equipped cover photo. By clicking to this three dot, I cannot see any of the option to privatize this. But this photo here was my previous cover photo and after clicking to three dots, I can see this edit privacy option here. So in this case, we can hide our current cover photo by clicking to this three dots simply and click to this hide from profile and confirm the process. This is all we can do, hide a cover photo into Facebook. And the other option is just simply deleting the cover photo. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to never miss another future update like this. Thank you for watching.